Traditional breadboards are confusing, messy, and easy to wire incorrectly, especially for beginners. Wireless was designed to fix that. Meet Wireless, an automated breadboarding platform built for education. No wires, no guesswork, just pure circuit building. Even simple circuits can take beginners far too long to assemble, and a single misplaced wire can break the entire lab. Wireless reduces setup time and increases clarity, letting students focus on learning, not troubleshooting. Choose your components through our simple user interface. Select series or parallel. And preview exactly how they'll be inserted. Then, with one click, your circuit is automatically routed. Wireless configures the connections for you. Adjust your inputs and watch the system respond instantly. Designed for real lab environments and real experimentation. Measure signals directly through integrated displays. Every circuit, every time, completely automated. Wireless, the breadboard reinvented for real learning.